Okay, today we are going to learn how to draw parabola using rectangle method. Okay, to draw the parabola using rectangle method, we require two inputs: height or axis of parabola and base of parabola. For example, if we take height of the parabola equals to 70 units and base of the parabola equals to 100 units, then we will learn how to draw the parabola using having base of 100 units and height or axis as 70 units. So first of all, the first step is draw the base of 100 unit length. So we will draw a horizontal line having length of 100 mm or 100 units. Now we need to draw the axis of the parabola. So axis of the parabola we have to draw from the center of this base length. So select the center of the base and draw a vertical line having 70 mm length, 70 unit length. Now as it is a rectangle method, so we will draw a rectangle out of this configuration. So to draw the rectangle, first from the end point of the base, draw a vertical line parallel to the axis and draw another vertical line from the other end of the base, again parallel to the axis. Join these three. So as we know, as we have a complete rectangle or two rectangle of equal size. Okay. First of all, now in the rectangle method, the one side of the rectangle will be completed. Then we will learn how to draw for the other side. For this end of the rectangle, for this side of the rectangle, divide it into 5 equal parts. You can divide as many number as you want depending upon the length of the height and base. Here we are selecting 5 points. Okay. So we will divide the side of the rectangle into 5 equal parts. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly, on the base side, divide this half rectangle into 5 equal parts starting from this side. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. We will name this point 0 and the top point as 0 prime or 0 dash. Okay. The next step is join the segment, first segment with this 0 dash, then another segment with this point 0 dash and the remaining point. So we are joining the different points. The first segment, point first, then second, join the segments one by one, 2 with O dash, 3 with O dash and 4 with O dash. Okay, so we have joined all the segments with this center point O dash. Now, for the base segments, we have segment 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so join all the line. Draw a parallel line or vertical lines from all the segment. So first, you have to draw the line up to the intersection of these lines 1 O dash. Okay, so this line from the point 1 is extended up to this point, then line from the point 2 is extended up to this point, line from the point 3 is up to this point, line from the point 4 is up to this point. Okay, now as you can see, we have identified here the intersection points, intersection of these lines. Okay, so here this is point 1, this is point 3, 2, this is point 3, this is point 4, and this is the point which is already on the parabola. Okay, now join all these points using a smooth curve to produce the half of the parabola. So we are going to join all these points using a smooth curve for the half of the parabola. Okay, you can use the similar method to reproduce the other half of the parabola, or we have the alternate method. Now what is the alternate method? So for alternate method, you have to draw horizontal lines from all these points. This point 1, this point another point, this is the third point, and this point 4. Okay. This horizontal line should be at a similar distance from this axis OO dash. So if I draw the horizontal line from this first point, so it should be similar distance from axis. Similarly, from the point 2, this is the similar distance. Point 3, the similar distance, and point 4, again at a similar distance from the axis. So these are all the points here on the other side of the rectangle represents the points on the parabola, and you can complete the parabola using by joining again with the smooth curve. So this is how you can complete your other half of the parabola. So this is the parabola using rectangle method.